It is knee-deep flooded in our apartments right now. There's a police car. There's a police car stuck, and stupid people are still driving. Turn around! Oh, okay, well. Turn around! If they don't see that police car right there stuck, oh God, they gonna get stuck. Uh-oh.
You can't go nowhere now.
I'm happy he hit that curb because apparently it look like they can get out now. That curb helping them. I'm guessing they gonna hit the car, tow the car or something. I hate it how they do that.